Hey there YouTube. Okay, today I want to show you unboxing of the new Herbertz Top Collection foldable knife, which I'm planning to use for the various occasions. So here we go. Nicely packed. Cool box. As you can see, very nice sealed box. You can carry it around for the strap. Let's see what we got inside. Oh, another case. Wow, this looks cool. So this is Herbertz, German manufacturer. Let's see, here is a safety switch, as you can see, which we need to move backwards, and it should be able to flip off. So as you can see from the outside, handle is fully aluminum. It's a sort of the safety knife, let's say. Here there is the tip for breaking a glass window, and here inside there is the blades, actually two blades, for breaking or cutting the seatbelt in case you get stuck in a car accident or car or whatever. So as you can see, there is the M16 on the handle, on the photo or the pattern or the sticker which is put in. It's a sort of a weapon theme. Very nice. The feel doesn't look too bad. The quality of the build, let's see how it works. Oh, there you go. So, as you can see, Herbertz Top Collection. The blade, first of all, it's a stainless steel 440. I don't know if you can read this. And here is the serial number under which this model of the knife is being sold. Or by this number you can actually find it online. The feel is okay. The handle sits properly in the hand. Looks good. Quite comfortable. I think I could use this knife for various things, especially when going to the woods. The size of the blade is, and the shape is very nice. Very nice. It's not so shiny. It's a matte color, as you can see. For the time being, it's quite sharp. As far as the quality of the steel, it should be good. It should last. It should be easy to sharpen if you like. Let's see how it is. It feels quite solid. It's a 426 grams, which is quite okay. You can feel it. I like to feel the knife in the hand. And let's see how it cuts. What do we want to cut? Let's cut a piece of paper. Yeah. Cuts nicely. Lovely. Lovely knife. Very good shape. I like the shape. The way that it's built. Build quality is good. I'm not gonna be splitting it and disassembling it, but it works fine. In order to close it, you have to press the button and it goes easily all the way. And at the end there is the safety flip. So now when you want to open it, it won't work, it will not open it. So, nice knife, size is quite okay, it can easily fit in your pocket, and the case for it, or the pouch, looks quite good, should be resistant for some time. You can wear it only on your belt or in your pocket, depending on where you like, and it should fit inside quite easy. So once again, it's Herbertz Top Collection stainless steel knife. Here's the box. Usually the people who bought this, at least from the place where I got it from, I purchased it from one shop here, and what the gentleman who is selling it said, that usually the people who buy it are working for some securities or protection or bodyguards or hunters, mostly hunters or hobbyists which spend a lot of time in the forest, and it's a nice pocket knife, safe to wear. To wear. The blade flips out quite easily. It doesn't feel like a cheap one. The weight is good. Weight, if it would be lighter, it wouldn't be too good for me. I would even prefer if it's a little bit heavier than that. But the fact is that the case is aluminum. I mean, the handle is aluminum. Fits nice in the hand, and is a quite a nice piece of a knife. Thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe. If you have some comments, questions, whatever, let me know. Let me know in the comments, and I will do my best to answer you. Or if you have any comments on the way how I should prepare these videos or anything else than that, please let me know.